A heat wave is expected to drive temperatures way up this week. We have live team coverage as we brace for the heat. Chief Meteorologist Kelsey Gherkins is in the First Alert Weather Center, and she's tracking the timing. But first, News Channel reporter Dave Alley is live in Santa Maria. And Dave, farmers are taking precautions tonight to protect their crops.
Well, certainly that plans are well underway with local agriculture, not only for crops, but also for workers too. And that is because you just said the temperatures are expected to climb upwards here in the near future as soon as tomorrow. And the thermometers are expected to spike upwards this week. It's a nice, cool, breezy day on the Central Coast. But that's about to change.
There's a heat wave coming, and we're looking at temperatures in the upper 90s and potentially touching the triple digit.
A concern for farmers like Tony Whalen of Tally Farms in Arroyo Grande.
We could have a crop wipeout and potentially lose an entire crop due to high heat and water stress.
So preparations are being made ahead of the hot temperatures.
We want to make sure our irrigation systems are in working order and that the crops are well irrigated.
When the heat arrives, watering may be slightly altered to earlier in the day or later in the evening.
We will adjust our irrigation schedule, so maybe we'll have fewer days in between irrigation.
While farmers are making sure their crops will be able to weather the heat, they say first and foremost are the people that work these fields.
We do what we can, to protect them first and try and make their jobs a little bit easier, as difficult as it is.
Heat-related protocols are being checked, making sure everyone is trained properly on required safety programs.
If we see a hot spell coming, we go through and we make sure everybody is on board and knows what they're supposed to do in the event of heat stress.
And other measures are put into place: additional rest periods, water availability, and shading.
Everybody's got a pop-up that when it does get hot, they'll have a place to those shades go up, and everybody has to put their shades up at 80 degrees, no exceptions.
All done to make sure everyone stays safe when the heat is on. Yeah, the heat will certainly be on, as Kelsey will tell us momentarily. Now, as for some of the real sensitive crops here grown on the Central Coast, lettuce, tomatoes, peppers, for example, those are going to be watched a little more closely to make sure that they are staying healthy as the temperatures rise here over the next several days. Reporting live in Santa Maria, I'm News Channel 12 reporter Dave Alley. Back to you.
Okay, thanks so much for that, Dave.